Good morning all. I am Dr. Aviral from Department of Surgical Gastroenterology, Bombay Hospital, Indore. So very beautiful anatomical description for all young juniors. So I'll show each and every structure which is important for inguinal hernia. So this is a bilateral hernia in a thin patients. So see, this is right side and this is left side. So I'll show you the anatomy from left side. So see, this structure is midline. If I press from here, so this is a midline, okay? Okay, and then see, this is the bladder. See, this is the pubic arch here, and see, can you appreciate so beautifully? You can appreciate the bladder tape. The Foley's tape and Foley's bulb. Can you appreciate? Now I will show the anatomy. Can you see this structure? This is the median umbilical ligament, and there is a large direct hernia here, and the defect is this. Can you see? Just show here, boss, idhar. एक बार इधर दिखा दो. So I want to show this is the direct hernia, और अब आप screen में दिखाओ. So this is the direct hernia. Now I'll show the anatomy so beautifully. Can you see this structure? This is vas. 1 minute. I'll show so beautiful today anatomy. So this is the vas difference. Can you see? See, this is the iliac vessels. Can you see? This is the gonadal vessels. Can you see? And this is the inferior epigastric artery, which has origin from the iliac vessels. So the defect is obviously medial to the inferior epigastric artery, that is, it is the direct hernia. So I will show you the anatomy again on the right side. It is again beautifully shown. So see here, this is iliac vessel. Can you appreciate? दिख रहा है iliac vessel, दिख रही है आप लोगों को कितनी अच्छी दिख रही है, और उसके नीचे जो आपको blue hue दिख रहा है, that is iliac vein. So can you see here? This is iliac vein, ये जो दिख रहा है, और ये जो जा रहा है, this is median umbilical ligament, and again there is a direct hernia here and here, and this is inferior epigastric artery which is arising from the internal iliac, and so beautifully vas. तो vas का आप देख लो the territory, it is the deep ring. The vas is coming from the deep ring, crossing the iliac vessel, going towards the where? Bladder, prostatic part and the bladder. So see here, so beautifully from here, vas, it is going till down and joining the prostatic part of the urethra. Can you appreciate? And see, I want to show the gonadal vessels. So for juniors, gonadal vessels is a branch of aorta. So see here, along the iliac, the gonadals are coming, and gonadal are lateral. Cord structure are spermatic cord are medial, and both of these join in the deep ring and form the cord structure which travels into the inguinal canal. So anatomy is clear. Now we will do the surgery. Okay, thank you.